Where's the food?
What did you do?
Me? I didn't have anything to do with it. Now, we, on the other hand...
First rule of leadership. Everything is your fault.
Now let me tell you how things are supposed to work. The sun grows the food, the ants pick the food, the ants eat the grasshoppers.
Grasshoppers, birds.
You better not say a fucking word or I'll kill you.
Flick?
Get the fudge out!
Your Highness, don't you see? We could send someone to get help!
I believe I said, get the fudge out. Which means kiss my fudge and ass, go fudge yourself, fudge to get the fudge out.
Fuck you!
You get your retarded ass in the bathroom and shave your side, birds!
Tough bugs.
I know an old lady who's swallowed a fly.
Wow.
Move it, move it, move it! Move it, move it! I like to move it, move it! I like to move it, move it! Move it!
Here you go, Slick. Enjoy.
Hey, I said no Fired by a flea! How humiliating!
Let's face it, we stink.
You fire! You fire! You fire! You fire!
Oh, great ones! I have been scouting for bugs with your exact talents! Grasshoppers are coming! We've been forced to prepare all this food! Please! Will you help us?
Okay.
Still looking for Flick? Forget it, Dot. That loser's never coming back.
The children and myself have quickly put together a little presentation in honor of our guests.
The South Tunnel Elementary School second grade class would like to present you with this. A mural we have drawn of you bugs helping us fight the grasshoppers away.
That was the worst rehearsal we have ever had. We are 2 days away from opening, and you're all fucking around!
Circus bugs! How can you be circus bugs? What?
Oh, hey. You said nothing about killing grasshoppers, pal. You lied to us.
Yeah! Are you kidding? Do you know what this is? This, my friends, is false advertising.
Like a shit up in a Kool-Aid commercial! Good day to you, sir!
Wait, you can't go. You have got to help me. Give me some time, I'll come up with a plan.
Just go tell him the truth.
No, you can't go! I'm desperate!
Suck my cock! You faggot!
Excuse me, Flick, can I talk to you just for a second?
Oh, sure.
Again, thank you all very, very much. Oh, stop it. Do come.
You.
Not every bug would face a bird. I mean, even Hopper of them.
Yeah, well, I don't know. I guess, maybe I have it. Say that again.
I said, even Hoppers birds.
Hopper's birds!
And I don't blame them.
I think I'll go check on the bird. Bird's this way.
The bird's that way. The bird's that way. What?
You mean you're not warriors?
Are you kidding? These guys are the lousiest I've ever seen.
Hey, we really thought Flick's idea was gonna work.
Get the fudge out!
You are mindless, soil-shoving losers. Put on this earth to serve us.
You're wrong, Hopper. ants are not meant to grasshoppers. I've seen these ants do great things. And year after year, they somehow manage to pick themselves and you. So who is the weaker species? Ants don't grasshoppers. It's you who us. We're a lot stronger than you say we are. And you know it, don't you?
You went too far again.
Dang it!